In this guide, we'll show you how to delete voicemail on iPad or iPhone. No matter whether you want to delete a single voicemail, delete multiple messages at once, or completely clear all your voicemails, there's a suitable solution available. Part 1. How to delete a voicemail on iPad or iPhone. Step 1. Open the phone app on your iPhone or iPad. Step 2. Tap the voicemail tab at the bottom right corner. Step 3. Scroll through your voicemail list and find the one you want to remove. Step 4. Swipe left on the voicemail you wish to delete and tap delete to remove it. Part 2. How to remove multiple voicemails on iPad or iPhone. Step 1. Launch the phone app and go to the voicemail tab. Step 2. Tap edit in the upper right corner. Step 3. Select all the voicemails you want to delete. Step 4. Tap delete at the bottom right corner. Part 3. How to clear deleted voicemail on iPhone or iPad. Even after you delete voicemails, they still occupy space until you manually clear them. To permanently remove deleted voicemails from your iPhone or iPad, you need to clear the deleted messages folder. Step 1. Open the phone app and tap the voicemail tab. Step 2. Scroll down and find deleted messages. Step 3. Tap it to open the folder. Step 4. Tap clear all to permanently remove all deleted voicemails. Step 5. Confirm your action when prompted. Once you do this, all deleted voicemails will be completely erased from your device, freeing up space and keeping your phone clean. Part 4. How to permanently delete voicemail on iPad or iPhone. Unrecoverable. If you plan to sell, donate, or recycle your device, or if you just value privacy, it's important to ensure your voicemail data is permanently unrecoverable. Coolmuster iOS Eraser is designed to permanently delete voicemails, messages, call logs, photos, and all other private data from iPhone and iPad. Step 1. Download and open the tool on your computer. Connect your iPhone or iPad via USB and tap Trust on the device when prompted. Once the main interface loads, click the Erase button. Step 2. Select your preferred security level, then click OK. Type delete in the confirmation field and click erase again. Confirm the action by clicking OK. Step 3. The erasure process will begin. When complete, your device will restart automatically. After rebooting, unlock your iPhone or iPad and click try again in the tool to reconnect. Step 4. The tool will continue overwriting data to ensure full erasure. Once finished, your device will be completely wiped and returned to a clean state.